Hey Rick, this is Simran. Today I'm going to present my presentation for SQL. So I have already practiced my presentation. So I'm going to show you and explain you in this video because firstly I tried to show you every command by writing and running it, but it took just 15 minutes and over. So that is a lot more time. So I'll just explain you. I've done it already. So in the very first command, I've just taken this first command to start up SQL, that is load ext SQL with a percent in front, and then the next command percent SQL, and then I have entered my database. So this is all my database. I've created table athletes with first name, last name, sport, country, blood group, ID, medal, salary, and age, and then I've inserted all the values. So then I run this command and I get this. So it run successfully. So after that, you said that you want to see select after every command. So I select this and I get this table. So you said you want 10 by 10. So this is 10 rows but 9 columns for now, because I've left the 10th column so that I can show you by using the command alter. By using the command alter, that how do I add a column. So this one, then it will be 10 columns. So now in the next command I have added this another row, that is insert into athlete values. So I've added this, so I've run this, so one row affected, and then I entered select command and then I get this here. So now I have another entry, Sharon Stone Soccer with 11th ID in it. So the next command is selecting columns from database. So I write percent SQL select first name last name from athletes, and then I run this command and this is what I get. So here's the first name and the last name columns and nothing else. So in the next one, I use delete function to remove the value. So I used percent SQL. So there's a percent SQL in front of everybody, in front of every command. So yeah, there's a percent SQL in front of every command. So I use delete from athletes where first name is John. So one row affected, and then I select it, use the select command, and then there is no row with name John here. Firstly, I had it here. See John, and now I don't have it. It is deleted. Okay. Now I want to use the wildcard. So I use the wildcard command, percent SQL select first name from athletes where first name is like this. So ACK percent I use, that is Jack. So when I use this, so it comes first name as Jack. So now I use the alter command, that is adding new column into the table. That is I want to add the marital status of the athletes. So I use as percent SQL alter table athletes add marital status. So I then select this and then select command, and here I have this new column with marital status. Okay. So but it have no values right now in it, so I have to add the values in it, and for that I use the update athletes set command, adding values in an empty column where marital status I am adding married where ID is 0 1. So I run this command and I entered it 2-3 times, and I then run the select command, and here I have married, single, married, like that, and I can add in others also. So how can I do it? So in the next, you said that you want to see another command that is order by descending. So I've used this command, that is percent SQL select star from at least order by. I've uh, done descending order of salary. So I've order by salary descending, and then I run this command and see I have my salary in the descending order. In the similar way I can do for any column, any other column, let's say age. So I used age. So percent SQL select from athletes order by age descending, and then I run the command, and here I have my age in the descending order, 61, 60, 55, 55, like that. Now in the end, I used the command drop table athletes, and here I have, and then I select it, and then it says no such table athletes. It is deleted. So I've run all the commands, as you can see you wanted me to, and all the commands run successfully, and it was fun running them. So I have added the comments also, and then I created my database, and then I select, and then I have my table, and then I've insert a new value, then I have select columns, and then I have delete entry, and then I have update, and then I have used wildcard, and then I have used alter, and then I have used this again update to add a column and to add entries in a column, and then I have used order by descending, and again I've showed you two order by descending commands, and then I dropped the table. This was it. Now you said that in another one that also I've practiced, so here it is. So I've used the same table for the visualization. Here it is. So again load ext SQL this, and then I have entered import matplotlib.py plot splt %matplotlib inline. So as you said, we have to use this command for the visualization, and then I've used the same database. I've entered it, it has run successfully, then select, and I have my table here. And now we will get our bar chart here. So I've already pasted the command that I have to use, so I will run it now. As you will see, so it has run successfully. It shows me the sport. So I've selected sport from athletes group. Now you said that you want to see it another color. That is, let's say I enter it here, like color is equal to, let's say, red, and then I run this command. Here it is. It is the red one. So this is the other one which you said that you want to see for the visualization. So I have this. So I entered these commands. I imported Matplotlib, and here we are. So it's done. I hope you liked it. Thank you. I've learned a lot, and thank you for the assignment. Thank you, Rick.